a C-130 Hercules aircraft. United States Air Force's Air National Guard. On board of that airplane is members of our jump team for today's opening ceremonies. They'll be jumping out the back of that aircraft at 4,500 feet above the ground. You also see VNAF One and the VNAF Max G Extra 330. And Hill will be taking off here soon as well to circle those jumpers and help bring everything into show center. So we're just moments away now from launching these airplanes, getting them up in the air, and getting things up and going for the 2013 YS Flight International Air Show. Venom will be our parachutist today. He will be bringing down that canopy with VNAF One circling him. Again, we're going to go ahead and do a quick notification. Tato, if you are in the sound of my voice, we do not allow any flying until your position, so if you do it a little more times, we'll have to ban you. Okay, taking off there, we got the extra 330 has climbed up, and the C-130 gaining altitude high and to the right. Well, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 7th Annual YS Flight International Air Show. My name's Scarecrow, I'll be your air show commentator for you today. We're just moments away of bringing in our opening ceremony flyby, jump team, and all other fun stuff that goes along with that here over the skies of Gatwick momentarily. On behalf of YS Air Shows and YSF HQ, we'd like to thank you for your participation and support in today's aerial activities. I tell you what, we've got some of the best lineups that I actually think I've seen in years. And I'm excited. That means you should be excited. And you're about to experience that firsthand at the 7th annual event over the skies of Gatwick. Now, right now, we're getting a C-130 in position. And he's climbing up to 4,500 feet above the ground. And as soon as he is over top of show center, we're going to have those jumpers out of the airplane. And jumpers away is the code word for that. So we're just moments away. Let's keep an eye on that big C-130 jump platform. Alrighty, we have jumpers away. Coming down earthward, Venom, and that paraglider coming down, circling around in an extra 330 SC is VNAF One. What a beautiful sight over the skies of Gatwick as we are bringing in these aircraft. Alrighty, VNAF says, hey, I'm low enough. Alright, Venom, it's your goal. So we're going to watch as Venom brings this paraglider down. He's got to ensure that everything is in position and his gear is indeed down. Incensed for this ordeal, his legs rather, as he brings it down right in front of us. Let's pay attention here as he brings it in right on a dead center landing. Let's give it up for Venom. Okay, now you saw